Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together and welcome the new Mrs. Superwoman.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, please clap. Thank you. Oh, I want to thank my father, my mother, my husband, and my son, my son.
Hello, Mr. Singh. Mind if I come in?
Oh, sure. Hi, Lester.
Hey, hi, Mr. Singh. What are you doing? Are you having a costume party, huh? Hey, why didn't you invite me, huh? Oh, I know. You're planning a surprise birthday party for me, right? Thank you very much.
Lester, we just celebrated your birthday last month.
Yeah, then it wouldn't be a surprise, wouldn't it, huh?
No, remember I told you I participate in the Superwoman pageant? TV crews are coming.
Oh, so exciting,
But my house is in a mess. Sit down. Don't mess up, okay? I need to clear things. Throw away.
Mr. Singh, are you throwing this and this and this also?
Yes, I'm throwing it away.
Oh, but it would be such a waste. Oh, Mr. Singh, I hope you will consider recycling all these useful things.
Yo, Lester, surely you don't expect me to go around looking for recycling bin, right? I still have to prepare for the Q&A for my pageant, you know.
But Mr. Singh, what if the pageant panel were to ask you about recycling? Don't tell me you would say that you don't recycle at all.
Lester, please enlighten me.
No worries. Sit down.
Oh.
Welcome to the recycling show. There are 3 easy ways to recycle. Firstly, you can always deposit your recyclables in the centralized recycling bins located at how many blocks away?
5.
Very good! The centralized recycling bin is located every 5 blocks away. Next question. Since you're such a busy woman, you can always deposit your recyclables in the recycling bag and put them outside your house before 8:30 AM during the collection day. Question. Who can you collect the recycling bags from? Of course! A. Mr. Santa Claus. B. Mr. Bugs Bunny. C. Public waste collector.
Oh, yeah. C. The public waste collector.
Very good! Now, last but not least, there are always recycling drives organized by the grassroots leaders. Question. Who can you bring them along?
Maybe family and friends.
Very good! Well done, Mrs. Sim! Congratulations! You are the Superwoman of the Year!
I want to thank my husband, my mother, my father, my son, and of course my plants, and also my neighbor Lester. They're so nice.
Yes. Mr. Sim, I've got a question for you. Okay, let me ask you. Where do all this so-called rubbish go to after you throw them away?
I know, incineration plant.
Very good, but do you know that up to 10% of the waste cannot be incinerated and they'll be landfilled? Pulau Semakau is our one and only landfill in Singapore and it can only last for another 20 years.
Meaning if we don't start recycling now, it will be even shorter.
Yes. Singapore is already such a tiny island, it will be very difficult to find any more space to build incinerator plants and landfills. This is not a long-term solution to manage our waste and the environment.
Lester, why you keep taking my rubbish?
Mrs. Sim, you don't understand. If we don't recycle, it will cause depletion on our natural resources and poses harmful effects on our earth.
Who are you talking to? Anyway, I don't see how this will affect me.
Of course it will affect you, it affects everyone, Mrs. Sim. Singapore Singapore is really such a tiny island with so little natural resources, and when natural resources are little, it becomes expensive.
Huh? Meaning the cost of living will increase tremendously?
Yes, by the time your little Peter hits 30 years old, he would have to do more than just recycling to reverse all the damage done to our earth.
My poor Peter!
Your little Peter is not that little. Perhaps you should consider recycling more and feeding him less. By reducing, reusing, and recycling, we can all help to conserve our natural resources, and all this will help to maintain a clean and green environment. All this will help to slow down global warming and climate change. Mr. Sim, what are you doing?
I'm rearranging all my items. I must start reusing, reducing, and recycling. Maybe I should gather all the neighbors to contribute as well. Surely they will help me, since I am going to be the next superwoman.
I can't! Mr. Sim, I'm not so sure if they would help, but I certainly would. You know what? We can give away flyers with me posing inside to encourage people to reuse, reduce, and recycle.
No thanks, I'd rather be the poster myself. It's okay. Thank you for your help.
Well, Mr. Sim, if I'm not going to be working with you, I'm going to be working against you. Consider this a challenge.
Challenge?
Yes. We will compare and see who gets the most recyclable things. I'm sure the neighbors will be on my side.
Do you know there's this recycling program called Project Earth? And Earth stands for Every Act of Recycling Trash Help. It was initiated by Central Singapore Mayor Zhang in 2009. And that was to encourage everybody to participate in recycling. Now I recall, I saw a poster by the Leaf Lobby. It's our RC. Our RC is also organizing this Project Earth Recycling Collection Drive. And it's this Saturday. We must participate.
Yes, of course. We should all take part and participate to make and protect our Mother Earth.
Yes.
Can you feel it? Mother Earth. What about sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things that you said we were to gain? Now, together.
Look at all these things. If I clear up my storeroom, I think I can come up with another 2 or 3 bags, and I will keep all of them and bring them down to this Saturday's recycling collection drive.
Yes, very good. Oh, but listen, please do remember to sort all your recyclables in their various categories. Okay, they are paper, glass, plastic, metal, and clothes. And also remember to keep them clean and dry. Okay, very good. And all these 50% of it will be mine.
Lester! These are my trash.
Yes, but these are my idea, right?
No.
Smile, camera.